Mixed grammar quiz. This test has 50 MCQs with answers. Can you find the correct answer to fill the gap? Please share your score at the end of quiz. Question number 1. The right answer is he did not do it. Question number 2. I saw him. Right answer is play. I saw him play. Question number 3. Everyone said. The right answer is everyone is sad. Question number 4. It's Gap unique book. The right answer is it's a unique book. Question number 5. You are Gap man who saved me. The right answer is you are the man who saved me. Question number 6. Can you pay it Gap? The right answer is by check. Can you pay it by check? Question number 7. There Gap many men. The right answer is there are many men. Question number 8. The patient is suffering Gap fever. The right answer is from. Question number 9. There were two. The right answer is oxen. There were two oxen. Question number 10. There was Gap two boys or a boys. The right answer is a boy. There was a boy. Question number 11. There Gap two men. The right answer is wow. There were two men. Question number 12. Each of the Gap is red. The right answer is pants. Each of the pants is red. Question number 13. Neither you nor I Gap lazy. The right answer is am. Neither you nor I am lazy. Question number 14. I found Gap pen. The right answer is my lost. I found my lost pen. Question number 15. His friends Gap there. The right answer is his friends are there. Question number 16. The right answer is written. Having written the letter, he posted it. Question number 17. The right answer is invite. If you invite me, I'll come. Question number 18. The right answer is was. I said that it was wrong. Question number 19. He said that he. The right answer is would come. He said that he would come. Question number 20. I know where Gap gone. The right answer is has. Question number 21. Where Gap gone? The right answer is has he. Where has he gone? Question number 22. He didn't come gap. He was seriously ill. The right answer is because. Question number 23. The right answer is although. Although he is rich, he isn't happy. Question number 24. The right answer is that this is the watch that my friend gave me. Question number 25. The right answer is the rabbit fell into a well. Question number 26. The right answer is me. He helped me, you and me. Question number 27. The right answer is might leave. I asked if I might leave. Question number 28. The right answer is there is a fan over your head. Question number 29. The right answer is he's reading at the moment. Question number 30. The right answer is you can come between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. Question number 31. The right answer is I hid myself behind a tree. Question number 32. He came, gap, gone. The right answer is he came after I had gone. Question number 33. My office is. The right answer is up behind a hospital. Question number 34. The right answer is he's been sleeping since morning. Question number 35. The dog is sitting at the gate. Question number 36. The right answer is I'm proud of my daughter. Question number 37. You have to choose correct interjection. The right answer is alas, she is no more. Question number 38. The right answer is the poor. We should help the poor. Question number 39. Past form of hold is. The right answer is held. Question number 40. Past form of dig is. The right answer is option A, dug, D-U-G. Question number 41. This is her house, but that is. The right answer is theirs. Question number 42. The right answer is I lost my watch. Question number 43. Are not coming. You have to choose right option here. The right option is they. They are not coming. Question number 44. You have to choose the correct option. The right answer is, have you seen her? Question number 45. The right form of the right answer is children. All children need love. Question number 46. The right answer is, each pen is blue. Question number 47. The right answer is, each of my friends is rich. Question number 48. We gap know it. The right answer is each. We each know it. Question number 49. The right answer is option A. Each of the words is costly. Question number 50. This is the last question. And the right answer is not any. I have not any money. Thanks for watching this video. Say score and comment